As many as 10 members of Hnyf National Youth Federation were arrested by the East Khasi Hills District Police following after they stopped tourist vehicles with Assam registration numbers from travelling to Sora and Dauki. Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills Sylvester Nongtinger said from Saturday onwards, a team of police will be deployed at Umtangar Junction and one team of police will be deployed at the entry point at Maulai Mauyong area.
From tomorrow onward, a team of police will be there at Umtangar Junctions. This is for the safety and security of all the tourists who are traveling either to Sora or to Purusla or Dauki area. And likewise, not only there, we also will be keeping in the entry point also for the safety and security of the tourists who are coming from neighboring states visiting Meghalaya.
Nongpo MLA